attended noon 11 CR 1364. Didn't make.
At what time?
About 10 o'clock or so.
And with regard to this contact, you took some things from him, right?
Yes.
These items that were taken from him, were they pursuant to just being handed over, or were they pursuant to a search warrant?
They are pursuant to a search warrant.
And specifically, what item was it that you took from the defendant?
I took his uniform, as well as I had taken his gun belts, as well as the pistol, taser, and all the accoutrements involved with that.
Did you also take his shoes?
Yes.
I'm going to show you what is marked for identification as exhibit number 246. Let's see if you recognize this one and exhibit 265. Sorry, 266 and 265. Take a look at 266 first. You recognize what's in exhibits 265 and 266?
Yes.
Where are they?
Those are the boots that were worn by Mr. Chrisman.
And you were the person who actually took those from him, correct? I move for the admission of exhibits 265 and 266.
No objection.
265, 266 are admitted.
I'd like for you to open them. There's some gloves there. If you need larger ones, let me know, and I'll get you some scissors.
Thank you, sir. Open both.
Go ahead and open both, and we'll pull them out once you're done.
Which one would you like to see first?
It's 265. What is that?
The left work boot.
And if you take out 266, what is that?
The right work boot.
Place them back in their back, please. So take a look at exhibit 260. Do you recognize it?
Yes, they appear to be the pants and Velcro belt that I took from Mr. Chrisman.
When you say they appear, it sort of leaves room to say that they're not. Do you have any data as to whether or not that's what they are?
No.
I move for the admission of exhibit. What's the exhibit number on it, please?
260.
260.
No objection.
260 is admitted.
Go ahead and open them up and show them to us.
Would you like them now? You vote?
Yes, please. And if you could hold them up so that we could see the bottoms of them, including the right and the left leg. And show us the back. Don't want to bring those away. Take a look at exhibit 261. Are you familiar with it?
Yes.
What is it?
His uniform shirts. So without taking it out of the bed, I believe it's a uniform shirt. The way it's wrapped up, I can't really distinguish.
Why don't you open it, look at it without showing it to the jury and tell us whether or not that's what it is.
It's a uniform shirt.
I move for the admission of exhibit 261.
No objection.
261 is admitted.
Why don't you hold it up so that we can see it, please? And is this the condition it was in, or other than being folded when you seized it?
Yes.
Was the badge on it when you seized it?
Yes.
Was the nameplate on it when you seized it?
Yes.
When you seized it, were there any tears or any, if you will, items of disarray, if you will, such as tearing on the arm, anywhere?
No.
If you don't mind putting that back. Take a look at exhibit 267. What's exhibit 267?
The gun belt that was taken from Mr. Chrisman to include the various pouches and holsters.
I move for the admission of exhibit 267.
No objection.
Is admitted.
Sure, open it and show it to us. And hold it up for us, please. Show us the front. How is it that it gets fastened? In other words, does it have a buckle or does it have something else to it?
It's fastened with a variety of ways. First of all, there's an under cloth belt that inside Velcro adheres to, and then it's wrapped around and it's clipped. There are holes here and here. It's much like that. And there's also keepers inside the bag that affix this more securely to the inside belt.
Well, what were you talking about? Keepers, I think you called them? Show them what. Show me what you're talking about. And what is the function of a keeper?
To securely fasten the belt to the inside Velcro belt.
Show me how that would be done.
The inside belt would be in the pants itself. That was shown with the prior pants. Again, outside is Velcro, the inside is the opposite of the Velcro to adhere to it. Just wrapped around, the keeper itself is moved in between the inside web belt and the outside belt, and it's affixed like that.
Are those keepers used to hang anything on them or not?
Yes, they can be used to hang keys and other things, or things to be clipped on.
And in this case, do you remember whether or not these keepers had anything hanging onto them?
I recall seeing a knife that I think was clipped to the, or attached to the magazine pouch.
Anything else?
Not without refreshing my memory with my report.
Well, let's talk about Exhibit 256 first before I show you your report.
Before the detective, is there any ammunition in the 261? Or I'm sorry, the belt? Any ammunition on the belt?
No, no, sir.
Thank you.
Take a look at 256.
Yes.
You recognize that?
Yes.
What is it?
That is the knife that was affixed to the magazine pouch.
Move for the admission of Exhibit 256.
No objection.
The 56 is admitted.
Go ahead and open it and show it to us. And hold it up.